Hello and welcome. In this course, we're going to be talking about Laravel Package Development. Before we get started, I do want to talk a little bit about the plan, our approach, and some of the reasons why you may develop a package. So let's start with the plan. So I have an idea to make a Markdown-powered blog, and I want to call it Press. Now, one of the features that I want to develop is a driver-based approach. So I want to be able to have files, a database, and even a GitHub gist driver that will allow us to have multiple contributors to a single blog. Now I also want the themes to be customizable as well as the views. And that's just part of our plan. We're going to have a couple more things added in as we go, but let's talk about the reasons why you may develop a package. For one, reusability. That's one of those topics that we talked about when moving to object-oriented programming that would be able to reuse. But truthfully, sometimes some of our logic gets so polluted by a project-specific domain that reusability goes out the window. Expandability is another one of those words. Expandability meaning that we'll be able to customize the themes and views and be able to use it in different projects. We can even do custom views, and that's going to allow us to use this package in many different places. Another reason is ease of integration. With a simple composer require, we're going to be able to bring in this basic blog right into any project. And finally, we're going to have a complete disconnect with any specific project's domain and or logic, meaning that this project will not be polluted by another project's domain and logic that's specific to that project, making it reusable, expandable, and easy to integrate. Finally, let's talk about the requirements for this course. I'm going to assume that you have a modern understanding of the Laravel framework, that you know what things like service providers, configuration files, and migrations are, and also that you know what a test-driven development looks like and are familiar with PHP Unit and all of Laravel's testing helpers. But all in all, at the end of this course, we're going to have a fully functioning blog that's going to be powered by Markdown. So come along with me as we dissect a modern package development environment.